Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Anyways, this is a cooking video, hence why I'm in my kitchen. You're baking cookies. So I asked my friend, I got 2 cookies recipes, and I asked my friend which one I should do, and he said the one with chocolate chips. So that's what we're gonna do. Sorry, the clock is just so rude. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do that today. Okay, these are the cookies that we are gonna bake. We got eggs. Okay, so we happen to have a lot of flour, but we got the one that says cake flour because there was self-rising flour and bread flour. So we're gonna assume that this is the best choice. I don't see any oil. Anyways. Wow. We're first gonna wash our hands because we don't do that unsanitary stuff. Okay? Okay. At any point in this video, if it seems like I know what I'm doing, I don't. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna preheat the oven. Now we're gonna combine. Okay, I need a bowl because this is what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna combine the cake mix. This is what I got. With the Pillsbury Dough Man or Doughboy, or they're looking kind of yellow, so probably blue. Okay. Combine the cake mix. According to this, egg whites are the white part. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get an egg yolk or an egg white, something like that. Okay, so first what you do is you crack it. Then you let the juice run in. Yeah, okay, something like that. Hopefully. I'm just gonna stir it up to make it seem like we're doing stuff, you know? I just ran up the stairs and I'm so tired. ASMR. Okay. Because of lack of measuring items, we're just gonna wing it. So we got a spoon. We're gonna get the cake batter. Just kind of, you know, sprinkle it in there. That's all we're gonna do because I know best. I'm the baby. Now you get a pan. Okay? That's what you do. You get a pan. Then you get missing something. You get to roll now. That's what you do. You roll. Down on the cookie dough balls and place a few extra chocolate chips and sprinkle on top. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you. These are what they look like. Look kind of cute or whatever. No offense to like myself, but they look disgusting. I don't know what I did, but clearly I didn't do it right. One thing, egg whites, right? But nothing else. And I tasted them and it tastes like not seasoned. 8 minutes.
Little biscuits.
Anyways, please leave the kitchen. I don't need this negativity around my cookies. They'll be here for a while. Come look at the cookies. What is this? I mean, they kind of look like biscuits, but... Anyways. Oh my goodness, they're burnt! Oh my gosh! Wow. They're not even done yet! The chocolate chips haven't even melted! Get that. Burnt. So yeah, that's kind of fun. That's great. Maybe they'll taste better if, you know, we let them cool for like 20 minutes. You know, let them cool, let them set, let them sizzle. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna taste one because we never give up. Giving up is for the giver-uppers. Honestly, they kind of look like, I mean, they kind of look like what they're supposed to look like. Kind of. It's missing like some sugar or something. If you don't eat the burnt part, they're not that bad.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
I need some milk to wash this down because this is not it. I made this whole mess as they weren't even good. We're gonna have another cooking with me and maybe that one will be successful, who knows. So if you did like this video, thanks.